Here's the puppies. They're outside today. Big day for you guys.
You're yawning. Yawning.
Get some close-ups.
Yawn.
Who do you have next?
This is Aqua Ribbon. She
There's
matches
Aqua.
my shirt.
There's Aqua. Who's that, Bridge?
My favorite puppy, which is white.
Nicholas and Bridget usually pick a favorite puppy in this litter. It's the white ribbon for Bridget.
I love picking her.
There she is. There's pink ribbon climbing up.
Real, you're like a baby.
Here, turn around, Purple. Turn Purple around.
There you go.
There's Purple.
I like this little space.
Peach. Come here, Peach. There's Peach. If we can get her to turn around. There she is.